Welcome back to Scale Me Down and to an update on our scratch-built two-seat Spitfire project. Some of our club members were interested in building a two-seat Spitfire from our mould. And this was a special day as this was the maiden flight of Chris Johnson's model. I'm sure you'll agree he's made a super job of it. He made a couple of flights during the day to get the trims and centre of gravity set just right, and when all that was done it flew really nicely. Chris finished his Spitfire to represent MJ627, which is a two-seater that's currently based at Biggin Hill in Kent. Back in 1943, the full-size MJ627 was operated with 441 Squadron of the Royal Canadian Air Force. And on the 27th of September 1944, it was flown by Pilot Officer Sidney Bregman, who downed a Messerschmitt 109. It was kept busy throughout the war until it was converted to a two-seater in 1950 for the Irish Air Corps. Chris is using a 3-cell 3300 mAh LiPo battery pack, and it turns an 11.7 propeller, developing 370 watts and flies for around 8 minutes on this setup. Nice job, Chris. Now let's go home and get warm with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to support the channel.